Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Cadillac OpenSpace Concept is a futuristic luxury motorhome concept that combines cutting-edge autonomous technology with Cadillac's iconic luxury. Some noteworthy characteristics that define the concept are as follows. Crucial characteristics. Level 5 autonomy. The goal is for the car to be able to handle all driving responsibilities without human intervention. As a result, passengers can now travel in an entirely new way. Expandable living space. When the car is parked, its main living area may be expanded to provide occupants with a more spacious and comfortable living space. Rooftop access. Another unique feature is the roof deck, which offers passengers sweeping views of their destination. Mirrored outside design. The outside of the car is designed to fit in with its surroundings thanks to mirrored surfaces that create visual harmony with the surrounding terrain. Within luxury, as expected from Cadillac, the inside of the open space is equipped with luxurious materials and state-of-the-art technologies to give passengers a cozy and comfortable environment. Advanced technology. The cockpit cabin has semi-autonomous driving capabilities, a fully digital OLED dashboard, and eye-powered driving assistance. Premium materials, a smart glass sunroof, and an entertainment system featuring a Bose surround sound system and a motorized TV are all used to decorate the living area. The bedroom has a queen-size memory foam bed, mood lighting, and a hidden 4K projector, while the kitchen is fully equipped with a smart refrigerator, induction stove, and premium quartz worktops. Electric performance. Cadillac's Ultium electric drivetrain, which can be charged to 80% capacity in 40 minutes, provides the motorhome's 500-mile range. Its more than 600 horsepower and adjustable air suspension ensure a comfortable ride on any terrain. The Cadillac OpenSpace Concept for 2026 represents a major development in motorhome design and technology and provides a sneak peek into the potential future of luxury travel.